Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. For the people who don't know me, hi, this is Priyanka Bhattacharjee and I welcome you all to my channel. It's 3:30 a.m. in the morning and we are standing in the middle of the street and it's pure empty. We have a shoot today. We are shooting for City Mart and a brand called Rafa, and it's a very early call time today. I'm very tired. I haven't slept actually. I've been awake the entire night, and probably I can say I had a like insomnia stuff going on in my mind, and I just cannot sleep. So the streets are completely empty, and let me see how much I can record today. We might be shooting in the middle of the street because we have to shoot in the first sunrise itself, and it's pretty chaotic. It's gonna be pretty chaotic, but I hope you guys would like the video, and in case you did, please make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. So we are shooting for this band and the call time was 4 o'clock. I reached quite early. I told them that I'm gonna be a bit late, but there was no traffic, so I reached quite early and we are just waiting, so the team could arrive and I can just easily go in, and I will just start shooting. I'll show you guys some of the behind the scenes. Let me see how much I can record. So please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And yes, I'm gonna show you the street. It's full empty, guys. This is what the street looks like, guys. There's like barely a soul out there. Of course, I mean, one thing I realized that पूरी दुनिया उठ चुकी है. That पूरा दुनिया उठ चुका है. काम पे सब अपने अपने बिज़ी है. वैसे हम भी आए अपने काम पे. हम तो कभी कभार आते हैं ना, कॉल टाइम तो हमारा डिफ़र करता है, बट ये रियलाइज़ हुआ कि कुछ लोग हैं जो सोते भी नहीं हैं, जो पूरा टाइम काम ही करते रहते हैं, एंड कुछ लोग की सुबह भी होती है तो कुछ लोग की रात. सो आज का व्लॉग काफ़ी एंटरटेनिंग होने वाला है. सो अभी फास्ट जाके मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो, बहुत सारा प्यार दो, एंड हम आपको दिखाएंगे बहुत अच्छी बिहाइंड द सीन्स. एंड आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड बिकॉज पूजा आ रहा है एंड पूजा का आई थिंक ये फर्स्ट शूट्स चालू हो रहा है, एंड मुझे आप सबकी ब्लेसिंग्स चाहिए, गुड विशेस चाहिए एंड सपोर्ट चाहिए. आपके बिना ये पॉसिबल नहीं हो पाएगा. तो चैनल को अभी सब्सक्राइब करो, लाइक करो. मैं आज देखती हूँ कि मैं कितना रिकॉर्ड कर पाऊँगी, क्योंकि मोस्ट प्रोबेबली हम स्ट्रीट्स में भी शूट करने वाले हैं, जो बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट होने वाला है. तो बिहाइंड द सीन्स रिकॉर्ड करने के लिए तो कोई रहेगा नहीं, बट थोड़ा बहुत अगर इंडोर का शूट होता है तो आई विल डेफिनेटली रिकॉर्ड एंड शो यू गाइज. ओके. I still remember that morning when I was simply told, Priyanka, get ready for a shoot. I had no clue what it was for. The only thing that I knew that it was for the brand, probably some commercial project. No idea that this day would turn into one of the biggest milestone of my journey. Yes guys, it was for an ad and hoarding commercial, something that I had secretly dreamt of my entire life. I woke up with butterflies in my stomach, pretty excited, thinking it was just another project, just another project. But no! But as the day unfolded, I realized this was destiny playing its grand surprise. And I had no clue. Our first stop was the iconic flower market in Kolkata. It's the largest in Asia, bustling with colors, fragrances, and chaos. Shooting there was not easy, to be honest. The crowd, the noise, the constant rush of people carrying marigold garlands on their heads, everything tested our patience. But that's the thing about Calcutta, guys. Even if it's chaos, there's poetry. Standing there dressed for the camera, I felt the city breathing with me. The flower market has been there for centuries, like supplying blooms to every puja, every celebration, and now it became the backdrop of my own celebration too. But beyond the locations, what made this journey unforgettable was actually the team. Every single person out there, from the director with his never ending patience to the makeup artist who was fixing our makeup between shots as it was raining. It was pretty chaotic. Hi to my vlog. Say hi. Say hi.
Hello.
Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Tell me.
ना सबको जाना होगा, मतलब मुझे तो जाना ही होगा, मुझे ऐसा फील हो रहा है.
किधर? Okay. Yep. Big close. Did you guys enjoy shooting?
Yes, I did.
Did you guys enjoy shooting? Does my face say it, or should I have to explain it?
Reveal the fact. The makeup artist, please. She will say something about the makeup.
Few words about the shoot. Come
I
on.
look so pretty.
You are very pretty.
You should hire
For
her.
the very first time.
Okay.
You're just looking like this. Shake and
You're still
so
pretty.
flawless makeup.
You're still pretty.
Please show his lipstick. Please show his lipstick. Please.
Bro,
please.
show. Bro, show. A little down, please.
Hot gulabi.
वही उधर से मत खोलना है, इधर से खोल।
Done. Next, we move to Kumotuli, the legendary potter's colony where Ma Durga herself takes shapes in clay. To shoot among the artisans with the half-finished idols watching us was surreal. The lanes were narrow, the air heavy with dust, and the logistics of shooting were a nightmare. But when I stood there in front of the camera, I felt goosebumps. Kumotuli is where devotion turns into art. And in that moment, I realized my art, acting, storytelling was also a form of devotion.
Hey, I just
Bro, show your face. Bro, bro, we want the details, bro. We want the details, bro. Kumotuli, tucked away in North Kolkata, is a 300-year-old potter's colony where artistry meets spirituality. The name comes from the Bengali word kumor, meaning potter. It was established in the 18th century when the British East India Company granted land to potters so they could supply clay utensils and idols to the city's elite families. Over time, Kumotuli became famous not just for clay pots but for the magnificent Durga idols crafted there. Every year before Durga Puja, thousands of artisans shape Ma Durga and her children from river clay, a tradition passed down through generations. These idols are shipped worldwide today, making Kumotuli a global symbol of Bengal's devotion and artistry. Walking through its narrow lane, you will see half-finished idols, the smell of wet clay, and artists walking tirelessly. It's just not a locality, it's a living museum of Kolkata's culture, where faith literally takes form in clay. Then came the breathtaking Calcutta Bungalow, a restored heritage home standing tall with its colonial charm, wooden staircases, and walls that whisper stories of another era. Shooting there was like stepping into history, and it was in one of my bucket list. Every corner had a soul, every backdrop felt absolutely cinematic. The light fell just right, and the air was calmer. And for a moment, I paused to take all in because I was living one of my dreams, not just acting in it. But beyond the location, what made this journey unforgettable was again the team. There were moments when we were exhausted, sweaty, and almost ready to give up. And then someone would crack a joke, share an inspiring story, or remind me why we were here. We were not just shooting content, we were creating memories, chasing dreams, and learning to breathe through the struggle together. And finally, when I learned it was just not a shoot but an ad commercial that would go up on a hoarding, my heart stopped. This was just not about my face being on a billboard. It was about that little girl inside me, the one who used to look up at hoardings in Kolkata and whisper to herself, and someday it will be me. That day, that someday finally arrived. This shoot was not perfect. It was sweaty, messy, chaotic, full of challenges. But maybe that's what made it beautiful, because dreams aren't meant to come easy. They were meant to test you, shake you, and then reward you when you least expect it. And as I stood under the Kolkata sky surrounded by flowers, clay, and history, I realized this was just not a commercial. It was a piece of my soul carved into the city I love.